How's it going, everybody? My name is Will from Ghosthack, and today we're gonna do something fun. I should probably take the bit out of this. That's kind of a safety hazard. There we go. Better for childs now, like me. Now, Ghosthack is a German company, but I, Will from Ghosthack, am very American. If you can't tell by the way I talk, I have freedom and expensive healthcare flowing through my veins. And I like to make a lot of different styles of music, but there is a particular style that I have made exactly none of. I have made a lot of trap, hip hop, or rap beats before, but I've never attempted to make a drill beat. However, I have been listening to a lot of UK drill recently, and I really do like it. I think UK drill is a little better than US drill. Sorry. And I thought it would be fun to record myself attempting to make a UK drill type beat, having never made it ever before in my life. I feel like I have a decent idea of how I'm supposed to make this stuff, but it could go horribly wrong. Maybe it'll go great, but either way, I think it makes a good title for a video, and it should be entertaining. So enough messing about, let's get to it. So right now we're at 140. I heard that was a good tempo for drill. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know, 140 is a decent tempo for most things. At least most of the stuff that I make. And I will admit, I already have done one thing. I made like an 808 preset in Siren that sounds kind of drilly to me. We can do those 808 slides. So I guess I'll start with drums. Let me get just a thumpy kick. That's not a bad kick. I'll grab that one. Let's find a snare, I guess. I don't think there's does drill use claps? No, drill doesn't use claps. It uses like a small snare. Maybe if I take this one and like pitch it up. Yeah, I could use that. I'll try that. I might change that later. It's not great. Oh, okay, that's actually good. I might just change that now. Yeah. And I guess the easy thing about this is every drill beat sounds exactly the same. It sounds like for whatever reason, the snare is pushed to the side the second time around, and the hi-hats are exactly the same in every song. Wait, Ghosthack has a drill pack, don't we? I didn't make it, but I think we do have one. UK Drill Essentials, we do. Let me get a hi-hat from here. Oh, yeah. That sounds a little better. Should this be stereo? Maybe I might make it stereo. Yeah, something like that. I feel like the snare needs a layer. Ooh. Is the flam common in drill? I do not know. Okay, so we have like a basic beat. I don't think this is anything too complicated. And now I think I want to make a melody before I add anything more to that beat. I guess, what do I use? Should I do like synth? I hear piano a lot, but also synths are kind of dope. Maybe, okay, I'll make some chords and then I'll try to switch around the sound. Ooh. That's just, it's so standard. But I mean, if it sounds good, I'm not gonna pass it up. Maybe we don't have to be Beethoven here. We're just like making something simple. I'm gonna take those chords, but I'm actually gonna speed them up by 2. So I can run them into a different channel. Let's go 10. And I can put halftime on them just to make them dark. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, what I should do is I should keep it the same length. Halftime's weird. And then I should just shorten this a lot. Oh, it's like a pad. I'm gonna duplicate this and have 2 pianos going at once. And on this one, I'm gonna put another halftime. I'm just gonna change the settings. And on this one, I'm gonna put vinyl. Yeah. I'm gonna EQ out the low end of this one. Bring up some of those highs. How do those chords sound right now? That's just like some really basic chords. Let's see if they work. Oh, okay. Yeah, the snare is gonna change, but I think we're onto something. First thing I'm doing is I'm adding a little bit of strum. This is in the key of A. That's not exactly that great. I want something dark, maybe D sharp. When you need to change up the way your melody sounds or your chord sound, but still stay in the same key, you can try inverting like the top and the bottom. You see, it's a different vibe, but it's exactly the same notes. Let me just search for a bell in here. Actually, I can go tags bell, yeah. It's kind of cool. It's so dreamy though. I don't think that's what I want. Oh, that's kind of sick. Okay, that sounds cool, but I definitely have to change this sound. It was cool for all of 2 seconds. Do they use flutes in drill? Is that a normal thing? I don't know if I like this either. This is hard, man. I'm not in the drill mindset. I need to get in the head of a driller. I need to feel like a driller. You know what? Hold up. I'll be right back. There we go. All right. This is how drill artists look, right? I'll put my headphones over this. Do I keep the hood up or do I take it down? I feel like that's too much. That's too much. With the headphones, it's too much. There you go. Okay. Now I'm looking good. What you doing in my ends? Oh, it's coming to me. Okay. Nope, I need an organ. Okay, yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Ooh, down low. Yeah, strings sound a lot better than that weird synth thing. Ooh. The more half times you add, the cooler it gets. This is like the secret to drill. Okay, it's time to get some 808 action in here. Let's get this going. Yeah. Yeah. As always, when writing 808s, you start up high. Okay, we got something. Needs to be deeper. Yeah. Okay, more energy. Yeah, there it is. Maybe a little more distortion on this 808. Also, I added a little bit of reverb to the 808, but only when it's really high. See, reverb, and then no reverb. Goes like that. But let me get a sidechain set up real quick. I'm pretty sure they sidechain in drill. I'll just go with it. Ooh, okay. I think it's actually gonna sound pretty dang good. I want... Yeah. That's a classic crash. Also, this one is very good. And maybe I could add some percussions here too. Yeah, these percussions will work. I should probably get more hi-hats in here as well. And now that we have these down, we can control things like the pan. Ooh, we can make it pan around all over the place. Let me make this pattern unique, because most of the drill, like, it doesn't seem to start like heavy with the kick in the 808. It starts with like, just like the hat. I am going to need a bell, at least one bell. I want to add a bell. Oh boy, oh boy, uh-oh. Ruh-roh, we're in trouble. Come on, don't do this to me. I didn't save it. Look at that, I didn't save the project. I might have to, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet. God damn it, fine. Okay, thank God for autosave. Oh, that's cool. Didn't I try this synth out before? And I ended up being like, nah. Oh, I know what I want. I want choirs to make it more epic. See, this is an F. I'm in D sharp, so I need to go down 3. Could I add police in here is the question. Kind of, but I feel like I want to go wow, 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 wow. That's how police sirens go, right? Oh, and it sounds like it's passing. That's good. Okay, I think I'm just about done here. For my first time actually trying to construct a full thing that's drill, I'm actually pretty happy with it. I hope that I'm not like gassed over something that everyone else is like, oh God, this sucks. You know what I'm saying? I hope that that's not the case. But I feel like my judgment as far as this goes is pretty okay, and I feel like I'm pretty dang satisfied with it. So now that I've finished it up, let's go ahead and give this final track a listen. So there we go, there's the beat. I don't actually think it turned out that bad. I actually was pretty okay with it. It's like there were some mixing issues and maybe it was a little bit boring compared to the other beats that I've heard. Man, I look stupid. But hopefully it was an entertaining video. Let me know how I did in the comments. You know, recommend me drill to listen to so I can know how to do it properly. And let me know if there are any other genres that you want me to try out that I've never done before. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy producing.